How to play Minecraft for free. Legal ways. Minecraft free trial. The easiest option is the official Minecraft free trial. You can download it from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or the official Minecraft website. It gives you full gameplay for a limited time, so you can try everything safely. Minecraft Classic. Browser version. There's also a completely free browser version called Minecraft Classic. You don't need to download anything. It's simpler than the full game, but you can build, place blocks, and even play with friends using a link. Minecraft Education Edition. If you're a student, you may already have access. Many schools provide Minecraft Education Edition for free using a school email. It's official, safe, and designed for learning. Free Minecraft-style alternatives. If you just want the Minecraft experience, there are free sandbox games on the Play Store that are legal and safe. They don't cost anything and won't harm your device. Important note: avoid mod APKs or cracked versions claiming to be free Minecraft. These are risky and can damage your device or get accounts banned.